Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we do have a package from Makartt, and I purchased this a few days ago, but by the time you're seeing this, it's probably a few weeks. I had some more stuff, but this is the first one that came in. So I was gonna wait on everything, but I wanted to see what these were. Okay. So they had a $5 sale. They're still having it, but today they're still having it. But by the time you're watching this, I don't know if they'll still be having it. If they are, then I'll put that up on the screen for you. And my code does work with the sales that they have, so you can always use that as well. So I got some stuff. First, it's these pump up nails, XXL half cover stiletto tips. This is the box. I don't know what this sale is. For example, like if it's a final sale, or we're getting rid of this stock to restock like some new stuff sale. I don't know. But I remember when I said I wanted some tips, some nail tips. So I saw them and I got them. And of course, you guys don't have to wait until I get the other products. You'll be seeing it like in the same video. I got a whole bunch of nail tips, that's for sure. Okay guys, so I just got my next package and I got some coffin tips. These are half covers. Why does these look curved? Wait a minute. I got some nail glue. That's good. It looks like some spilled out based on the whiteness of the package. Well, nothing's sticking together. And I got a little thing, but these these are curved. Do you see the curve? I'm not a fan of curved nails. Look, it's I think this is a polygel. Nail tips. This says nail surface cleaner, but I think it's a twin one. I think it's for it's like a slip solution for the polygel. Anyways, okay you guys, so I still haven't gotten everything. But this is a lot still. So this is the 30 ml polygel. This is the color. It comes with a instruction manual. You know, just take a look at it. So all of them come with that little instruction manual. This is 50 ml. This is the size difference. You don't have to buy slip solution. This was $1. You can use alcohol. I think anything above 70% and above. So this is the This is the slip solution. And these are more things, yeah. XXL half cover French tips. This is the difference in the shapes. This is full cover though. This is full cover, half covered. This looks like square tips. Why doesn't it say? Yeah. What? These are XXL square half covered tips. These looks like the sculpted nail tips. Do you see how, well, do you see how deep that C curve is? Like the sculpted ones. Personally, I don't like the sculpted nail tips or curved nail tips. They're just harder to work with for me. But yeah. This has a high apex right here. Do you see like the space? If you have curved nail beds, it's probably fine, but if you have a more flatter nail bed, then I don't know. Look at the C curve, it's so deep. Look at that tiny pinched C curve. Well, I'll be back to show you the last package that I got. But these are everything. I told you guys that I bought like a whole bunch of nail tips. Like, yeah. Okay, so we're just using the base coat as like a slip layer for the polygel. And don't ask me if these are gonna turn out good. I have a vision for them, but with the way the tips are, I don't know.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up.
Okay, so this is it. The pink is kind of, it's clear. It's like a sheer pink. So what I'm gonna do now is wipe off the sticky layer off of them, because they do have a sticky layer. But overall, the polygel was so hard to squeeze out, first of all. So hard. And it self-levels quite nicely. Some of them it's a little hard to move around, but I believe it's because of my brush. Because the brush is so tiny and some of the bristles are all over the place. I think maybe that's why too. But overall, it was okay. I know these are going to be easy to file, so I'm looking forward to that. I'll show you just a few, like maybe one nail, how I get it from looking like this to perfection. I was gonna put some more on top of these, but I'm gonna take them right off anyways, so yeah.
No mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions, each new update that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Okay guys, so this is it. Don't say a word, okay? Don't say a word. These are them. And I do love this blue pretty little design. Polygel is so hard to work with. In my opinion, it's probably not, but this is where I got. I'll practice some more with it, maybe get a bigger brush, you know, do all of that. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.